We're ready to take our horchata out, so we're going to slowly open our door here. You see we got a nice mashed potato look. That's what you want. Use a nice, smooth, creamy, consistent ice. How nice that's kind of folds around.
Beautiful. Since we're using our P12D, Rob was able to slow down the motor so it was easy for it to come out. We could really control how smooth it's coming into our bucket.
We want to get all the product out of there. That's another great feature of our machine. We want to, now that we got most of the stuff out there, if we want to kind of speed up our motor, get that last remnants out. We got a 3-gallon tub. We put about 12 quarts in. We're going to get 12 quarts out, right? With very little overrun in Italian ice. If you got too much air in your Italian ice, it's not a good thing, because what happens is the air will escape out of the ice, and air has moisture in it. And that moisture will resettle on the ice, and in the dipping cabinet it'll freeze, and you'll have icy Italian ice, but not ice with flavor in it, just empty ice crystals. So, pretty much got everything we're going to get. We're going to shut her down. Should we clean it up? A great feature of our batch freezer is when you look in there, look how clean that barrel is. You don't see that with anything else. I mean, all the product is extruded out of there into our tub here.
All our dollars are in our bucket.
Yep. And what we have now, we want to level it out. We don't want to leave any peaks and valleys, because juices can separate in those peaks and valleys. So we want to level it out, put it right in our dipping cabinet. The great thing about Italian ice is this is ready to serve. This is ready to go right into our dipping cabinet and serve to our customers. Horchata Italian ice.